Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. Last week I did a viewer challenge where I was instructed to make an image of Rainbow Mountain. This week I'm going to be doing the mystery kit challenge, where a friend of mine has selected my materials for me to use in an art project today. So let's jump in and see what we got. Alright, so I have my mystery kit here. I already know what's inside this kit, but you guys don't. So let's open it up and see what we got. We have chocolate syrup, chocolate sprinkles, paint, question mark? I don't know if that's supposed to be in here because all I see is food condiments. We got tomato sauce, mustard, crushed red pepper, hot chocolate, emergency raspberry, and it looks like a lot of edible glitter. So all this is a great challenge for me. I've never actually thought of using food condiments to make a painting, so this should be interesting. Over the last few days I've been trying to think of what it was I was going to paint, and I've decided I'm going to make another mountain, but this time it's going to have an eruption with lava flowing through it. That's what this color palette is inspiring me to make. Now when it comes to the chocolate and the powder mixes, I'm going to experiment by using water and just kind of treating this like paint. We'll see how this goes. This is going to be done in fast motion and we'll talk about it at the end. So let's get started. God, this is going to smell like shit. My second project is now completed. So this is the first time in the series where I use non-artistic materials to create an image. So as much as it smells like shit and it's not going to last, I'm still very proud of what I accomplished here. And this is just a fun experiment and a fun activity for you to do with your kids if you do have any. It's just going to be very messy. Next week I'm going to be introducing a new challenge to the series. It is the Grayscale Challenge, where I'm only going to be working with black, white, and silver, no color whatsoever. And on top of that, it is also going to be a double creation round where I will be making 2 black and white artworks in one episode.